Phone numbers in column F are quite a mess and not standardized, so I'm going to use a Google Apps script to run and automatically format them for me in 3 seconds. See, it's already done. Now let me show you how. This video, I'm going to show you the power of Google Apps scripts. It's completely free and it's actually built into Google Sheets right under the extensions menu. In this example, I want to show you, I have these phone numbers here in various formats. So you can see this one has the area code with a space after it and then the digits. This one has 2 dashes. The one under here has the country code and periods. I don't really like this. I want it to all be just formatted just like this phone number right at the top. 3 digits in the area code with parentheses and then 1 dash. That's all that I want. So I took a screenshot of all of these and I put it into Claude, which is very similar to ChatGPT. I had it write some code for me right here, and then I threw it into Google Apps scripts. So let me show you what that looks like. The code is here, and then all I need to do is click on Run. It's going to run. It gives me warnings. Some of the rows didn't have phone numbers, which is fine. And now check this out. When I go back to my sheet, it says phone numbers have been standardized. Take a look. When I click OK, the change is going to happen. Just like that. You can see all of them are now in this perfect, beautiful format. They all have the same structure, right? First 3 digits for the area code, then the first 3 numbers, 1 dash, and then the last 4 digits. And all of the phone numbers in my Google Sheet now look perfect to me. I didn't have to go row by row and change it by hand. So if you're curious how to actually do this yourself, it doesn't have to be just for phone numbers. It can be for anything that you would manually do in Sheets. You can write a script for it. By you can write a script, I mean AI can do it for you. So the first thing that you do is you would click on extensions, open app script, and then click the little plus sign right here to add a script. We can call this script whatever we want. So this could be highlight phone numbers blue. Okay. And then we'll go to ChatGPT or Claude, whatever we're using, and ask it to write a script. So in this case, I'll say, write a Google Sheets script so that if a phone number starts with, and then I'll put it in quotes, 800, highlight that entire row blue. And I'll say the phone numbers are in column F. Now I'll click enter. So I just explained in plain English exactly what I want this script to do for me. The AI is then going to write the code. This will take us maybe 30 seconds to just sit here and watch it. And then I'll show you how to actually execute this code. So essentially the code is just telling the sheet, hey, go through all of the columns, all of the cells in column F, see if the phone number starts with 800, and if so, highlight everything in blue. So now we have this code. I'm just going to copy it all. Okay. And I'm going to paste it in here. I'm going to fully erase my function and paste this, hit save. And then you can see highlight toll-free numbers. That's what it called it. I'm going to click run. Now it'll say execution started. And I'm going to go back to my sheet because it might have a little pop-up for me. Okay. It says toll-free numbers have been highlighted. I'm going to click OK. There we go. It just highlighted everything where it starts with an 800 number within seconds. Can you imagine how long this would have taken me if I did it by hand? And I could have done it with conditional formatting, but this was still faster. Google Apps Script is an amazing tool. And if you ever have questions about it, please send me an email or send me a message on LinkedIn. Thanks so much.